Hello guys and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna review the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So I've been using these for a couple of days now and I'm gonna share my thoughts about it. So first of all, opening up the box, you will find the earphones itself along with some manuals and an extremely short typical OnePlus red and white cable. You also get a large, medium and a small set of ear tips that you can use to find the perfect fit. So let's begin the review by talking about the build quality. These earphones are very similar to the Bullets 2 in terms of their design. They have a very similar neckband design and the only difference is that the neckband is made from plastic instead of metal. This helps in reducing the weight and it feels very light on your neck. If you've used the Bullets 1 or the Bullets 2, you will feel at home here. These are very well made and are also very flexible, so you can throw them in the bag and not worry about them. These feature an in-ear design and the earphones have a very strong magnet at the back so they can stick to each other when you're not using them, instead of just dangling around here and there. The wires are covered in silicone and the neckband is thick and flexible, so I suppose it'll last you a couple of years. You can easily wear these for hours at a time with no fatigue at all. The only minor complaint I have in the design compartment is that the buttons are very mushy and they are not tactile like on other earphones. Now let's talk about the sound. Separate the earphones to turn them on, pair it for the first time and after that it will automatically connect to your device on separation. The sound that these offer is very good. These boast of a 9.2mm driver which offer plenty bass and treble too. The songs are clear and you can easily listen to the beats and the vocals too. The treble was a bit more than what I'd like and the bass was a bit lacking too, but after fiddling around with the equalizer in my phone, I was able to make them sound just the way I like. These get pretty loud too and there's no distortion at higher volumes. I found myself using these at around 50% to 70% of volume most of the time, which may be sufficient for many people. Also, the mic worked perfectly well and there were no disturbances either while taking calls or while talking to someone. Here is an audio sample from the mic. Hello guys, this is the kind of audio quality you can expect from the mic of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. There is absolutely no lag while watching videos and you can easily use these to binge on some TV shows or some movies. I'll talk about the low latency mode later. Next up, the battery life. I bought these mainly because of the battery life it offers, which is advertised at 20 hours of music playback. And after using these for about 3 days, I'm sure these headphones can achieve that claim. These have easily lasted me about 10 to 12 hours and I just don't let it die and I recharge before it dies, but I'm pretty sure you can achieve approximately 18 hours of battery life out of this. No matter what the task I use it for, these did not skip a beat. OnePlus also included the dash charge capability, which gives you 10 hours of charge in just 10 minutes. Overall, this was a very good experience in terms of battery life. Now about the comfort of these. These are not true wireless earphones, so there is always going to be a neckband around your neck. But the neckband is so light that you may even forget you have them on. You can find the perfect fit with the ear tips provided and these fit snugly in your ear and they don't fall out easily. Also, they are water and sweat resistant, mainly IP55. So that means you can wear them while running or working out. The neckband is made of a soft touch silicone material and so you aren't going to be itchy due to it. Now let's talk about the connectivity. All you need to do is unclip them and they will automatically connect to an already paired device. This is very helpful and you don't need to go through the settings to pair or long press any buttons. These have Bluetooth 5.0 along with support for AAC high quality files, though aptX codec is missing here. These earphones worked about 30 to 40 feet away from my phone, which is very impressive, so there are no complaints here. One thing though, if you use an older phone, then you might face some connectivity issues, but other than that, these worked brilliantly. They also have quick pair functionality for OnePlus 5 and above, so you can just unsnap them for the first time and pair them very easily with OnePlus phones. While using these in the OnePlus gaming mode, the low latency mode gets activated and the latency drops to 110 milliseconds. The sound comes approximately 1 second after you have pressed the fire button in a game like PUBG. I'm not saying that you can't play games with these. You can easily play games and you'll enjoy the experience too. But there will always be a significant delay which may be crucial in some intense situations. You can see that the Fnatic mode has been turned on and I heard a beep. That means the low latency mode is activated, and this is the sort of experience you will get if you play PUBG in real life while using OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So to sum up, I like the sound from these. The battery is exceptionally good, they are very comfortable and they are quite affordable too, at around 2000 Indian rupees. What I did not like is the mushy buttons and the connectivity issues on older phones running less than Android 8. But other than that, these are very good sounding earphones with good fit and comfort with an extremely good battery life for the price they come at. If you are thinking to buy a pair of affordable Bluetooth neckband or Bluetooth earphones, well, look no further. Well, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you know someone who wants to buy these earphones, share this video with them. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then, I'm Techie Rannjodh and I'm signing out. Peace from the Northeast.